All right, so let's go ahead and jump back into this lesson. So let me get back to where we were before. So as I was saying before, you're going to go ahead and choose one of the independent variables from the experiment, and you're going to go ahead and put it in this column here, and then go ahead and find your dependent variable of force that is produced from the independent variable, and you're going to go create a graph here and do some interpretation based on your graph. Because there are three independent variables, you're actually going to do three different experiments. So you'll repeat it twice after that with the other independent variables. And then when you're finished, you want to go ahead and jump into the analysis questions at the end. And just to point out, a lot of what they're having you do in this lab is finding the relationship between force, mass, velocity, and radius. And so notice we do have this equation we've been dealing with that ties everything together. So keep that in mind as you do your final analysis. Go ahead and save and close, and you're done with that lab. It's mostly going to be based on participation. So really just go ahead and put some effort in there and learn from the activity. When you're finished with that, you want to jump into your uniform circular motion practice problems. I'd like you guys to go ahead and print this document off and do your work right on the document. If it turns out you did not have a printer for some reason, it would be okay to put it on a separate piece of paper and then use that sort of CSIQ format where you start off with a question. You don't have to write it exactly as it says, but get the information on there and then solve the problem. That would work out okay. But printing it up seems really easy. We're eventually going to turn it in with photos. Do notice that I have a key on the circular motion practice problems, and we will put up, or I will put up a worked out key at some point in the future. So keep that in mind too. All right. Next thing you'll do is once that's finished, we could call that like class time. So you should be good there. And then I've got a Khan Academy Uniform Circular Motion Introduction for homework, and that'll take us through to the next class. So last thing to do is do your daily attendance form, and then we are awesome and good to go. Okay, guys, well, have a great day, and I will talk to you sometime in the future. Bye.